Okay, so question number 2 is find the area of the shaded region in the given figure if the radius of two concentric circles with center O are 4 centimeter and 14 centimeter respectively, and AOC is equal to 40 degree. The diagram is given here. Okay, so there are two concentric circle. One is this, and another circle is this. Okay, so these are two concentric circle with center O, and the radius of two circle are given as 7 centimeter and 14 centimeter, and this angle is equal to 40 degree. We have to find the area of this shaded region. We have to find the area of this shaded region. Okay, so the name is given as this is A point, this is B point, this is C point, and this is D point. Okay, now look, we are considering the first circle. The radius of the first circle means the inner circle is 7 centimeter, it is given, and this angle equal to 40 degree. With the help of these two data, we'll first find the area of the sector OBDO. We'll find the area of the sector OBDO. Okay, so let's start. So for the sector OBDO, the radius is a 7 centimeter, it is given, and the angle BOD, it's given as 40 degree. So find the area. How to find the area of this shaded region? How to find the area of the shaded region now? Look, we have a formula. Okay, so the area is area of OBDO is, the formula is theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Okay, now put the value. That theta equal to 40 degree by 360 degree, 22 by 7, and r means 7 into 7. Cut 7 and 7. Okay, so this is 22 into 7 by 9. 22 into 7 by 9. So that is equal to 22 into 7 divided by 9 centimeter square. Okay, by similar way, consider the sector OACO. Now for the sector OACO, what is the radius? Radius is given as 14 centimeter, and the central angle is angle AOC is equal to 40 degree. Okay, now find the area of the sector. So area of the sector OACO is equal to, apply the same formula, that is 40 by 360 into pi, that is 22 by 7, into 14 square, 14 into 14. Okay, so 7 2s are 14. Okay, so this area is equal to 22 into 14 into 2 by 9. Okay, so what is the area of the shaded region? What do you have to do? We have to just subtract the area of the sector OBDO from the sector OACO, isn't it? So the area of the required region, therefore required area equal to that is 22 into 14 into 2 by 9 minus this 22 into 7 by 9 centimeter square. This will give you the area of this portion. Okay, now we have to do the calculation just. So first take 22 into 7 by 9. Take this part common. So this will be 2 into 2 minus 1. That is 22 into 7 by 9 into 4 minus 1. That is equal to 3. Now cut it. 3 3 is a 9. Okay. Now just multiply 22 and 7 and then divide it by 3. You will get the answer. Now you tell me what will be the result. What will be the answer? Tell me the answer. Multiply just 22 and 7. 154. Very good. 154. 154 by 3 centimeter square is the required area. Completed. Yes. 151.33. Don't need to convert them into decimal point. If you leave the answer as 154 by 3, this is enough. Okay, Shomadev? Yes, very good. Noreen also 154 by 3. Now tell me, students, do you have any problem, any confusion in this question? Otherwise, we'll go to the next question. Do you have any confusion, any problem? No problem. Very good. So, our next question is question number 4. I am skipping the question number 3 here. Question number 4. You just have a look on the question. Question number 4. Question number 4 says that find the area of the shaded region in the given figure where a circular arc of radius 6 centimeter has been drawn with the vertex O of an equilateral triangle OAB of side 12 centimeter as center, and value of pi is 22 by 7. It is given. So we have here a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means a triangle whose all sides are equal. So this is our equilateral triangle whose vertices are O, A and B, and one side of this triangle is given as 12 centimeter. Means all the sides are 12 centimeter as it is an equilateral triangle. And one circular arc of radius 6 centimeter are drawn with the vertex O. So there is a circular arc. Okay, so this distance is a 6 centimeter. This distance is 6 centimeter. We have to find the area of the shaded region, the total area of the shaded region. Okay, means area of this circular portion plus area of this triangle. Clear? Now we'll consider one by one. First we'll consider the triangle and we'll find out the area. Okay, so for the triangle OAB, what is the side of the triangle given? Side is given as 12 centimeter. Now there is one question for you. What is the formula to find out the area of a equilateral triangle whose side is given? What is the formula to find out the area of a equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 5? No. Yes, root 3 by 4 into a square. Very good, Somadev. Root 3 by 4 into a square. Okay, so its area will be area of the triangle OAB is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square, and the side is 12. So 12 into 12. So that is equal to 36 root 3 centimeter square. This is the area of the triangle only. Now we'll consider this circular portion. Now look, this is a sector of the circle, major sector. Okay, so for the sector, the radius is given as 6 centimeter. Okay, and the angle at the center, what is the measurement of the angle at the center? Means this angle. What is the measurement of the angle at the center? No, Amit, it's not 60 degree. We are considering this major sector. It will not be 60 degree. No, Noreen, it is not 120 degree. Okay. Yes, very good, Somadev. It is 300 degree. Now look, we know that the total angle is 360 degree. And as OAB is a equilateral triangle, means all of its angle are 60 degree. This angle 60 degree, this angle 60 degree, and this angle is also 60 degree. So measurement of this angle, this reflex angle will be 360 minus 60. 360 minus 60. So central angle will be 360 degree minus 60 degree. So that will be 300 degree. 300 degree. So radius is known, central angle is known, just find the area. Therefore area equal to, apply the formula, theta by 360 degree into pi r square. So theta means 300 degree by 360 degree. Value of pi is 22 by 7 and value of r is 6 into 6. Okay, so 0 0 6 6 are 36. So it is 30 into 22 by 7. Now multiply 30 into 26. So that is equal to 660 by 7 centimeter square. 660 by 7 centimeter square. So area of this portion is 660 by 7 centimeter square, and area of the circle is this. So what is the total area of this shaded region? So the total area will be sum of this portion plus this portion. Okay, so the total area equal to, I am writing here, total area is equal to this one, 36 root 3 plus area of this portion, 660 by 7 centimeter square. This is the area of the total area of the shaded portion. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, now you tell me, do you have any question? Any problem? Do you have any confusion, any problem in this question, particular question? No, sir. Okay, that means we can go to the next question. The next question is question number 5. You just look at the question once. Question number 5. So question number 5 says that from each corner of a square of side 4 centimeter, a quadrant of a circle of radius 1 centimeter is cut, and also a circle of diameter 2 centimeter is cut as shown in the given figure. Find the area of the remaining portion. Okay, so let's draw the diagram first. So we have a square. Like this, we have a square, and the length of the side of the square is given as 4 centimeter. Now from each corner we are cutting a portion, a circular portion, means a quadrant of circle. From each corner we are cutting a quadrant of circle of radius 1 centimeter, means this distance is 1 centimeter. Also a circle of radius 2 centimeter is cutted from the center. We have to find the area of this remaining portion. We have to find the area of this remaining portion. Okay, area of this shaded region. We have to find the area of this shaded region. Now question is how to find the area of this shaded region. Now look, if I subtract the area of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, this 5 portion from the total area of the square, then we have the region, this shaded region. Okay, that means individually we will calculate the area of the square and the area of this 5 part. Okay, then we will subtract the total area of this portion from the area of the square. Okay, so we are starting from the a square. So for the square side is given as 4 centimeter. Side is given as 4 centimeter. So the area will be side square, that is equal to 16 centimeter square. Area will be 16 centimeter square. So the radius of the full circle at the center is 1 centimeter. No, it is 2 centimeter. Radius of the full circle at the center, oh sorry, diameter is 2 centimeter is given. Thank you so much. The diameter is 2 centimeter is given. So the radius will be 1 centimeter. Thank you so much, Somadip. Okay, this circle is also a circle having radius 1 centimeter. Diameter was given as 2 centimeter. Okay, so now consider the one quadrant of circle. And look one thing, these 4 quadrants of circle are identical to each other because their radius are same. Clear? So we'll calculate the area of one quadrant of circle and then we'll multiply it by 4. We have the area of the total circle. Yes, note you can apply the area of the square minus 2 into area of the circle of radius 1 centimeter. You can apply that process also. Okay, now for the quadrant of the circle. Radius equal to 1 centimeter and angle at the center is equal to 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. So the area will be theta means 90 by 360 degree into pi, that is equal to 22 by 7 into 1 square. That means 22 by 4 into 7 centimeter square is the area of one quadrant of circle. Now consider the full circle. For the circle, radius is given as 1 centimeter. So its area will be pi means 22 by 7 into 1 square. 22 by 7 into 1 square. Okay. So okay, now the area of the shaded region, the area of the shaded region is equal to area of the square minus 4 times the area of one quadrant, which is equal to 22 by 7 into 1 by 4 plus area of one circle, that is 22 by 7. Now this 2, 4 will cancel each other. That means the total area will be 16 minus, this is 22 into 2, that means 44 by 7 centimeter square. Okay, now do the calculation and tell me the answer. Multiply 7 into 16 and then subtract. Tell me the answer. (68 by 7). Very good. 68 by 7. That is 68 by 7 centimeter square is the area of the shaded region. Okay, so that is the answer of the question. Now tell me, do you have any question, any confusion in this question? No problem. Next question is question number 7. Next question is question number 6. Sorry, not 7. Question number 6. So question number 6 is in a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter, a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle as shown in the given figure. Find the area of the design. Okay, so one circular table is here and one equilateral triangle is here. Okay, and there are few design in this shaded region. In the shaded region, a few design are here. We have to find the area of this shaded region, total area of this shaded region. Now the question is how to find the area of this shaded region. Okay, before solving this question, I would like to just memorize one thing we have learned in our previous class. Suppose we have a triangle, any type of triangle. If I draw the medians, so we know that medians are concurrent, means they will intersect each other at a point. Now can you tell me what is the ratio of this side and this side? Means in which ratio the medians are intersect each other? In which ratio the median intersect each other? In a ratio 2:1. Now in a equilateral triangle, we know that the medians, the height, the altitudes, height or altitude same, are coincide, means all are equal. So let us consider this is the height of the equilateral triangle. Okay, and this is the centroid. This is the centroid of the triangle. Centroid means the points, this point is called centroid. The points where the medians intersect each other is called the centroid. Okay, so let's give it a name. A, B, C, this point is D, and this is our O point. So as O is the centroid of the triangle, and also O is the center of the circle. Okay, the radius of the circle is given as 32 centimeter. Okay, so we know that as medians intersect each other in the ratio 2:1. So we can say that AO is to OD is equal to 2:1. AO is to OD is equal to 2:1. Let AO is equal to 2x centimeter and OD is equal to x centimeter. We are considering this is 2x centimeter and this is x centimeter. Clear? Now look, it is given that the radius, means this portion of the circle is 32 centimeter. So according to problem, we have 2x is equal to 32, means x is equal to 16 centimeter. So value of x is 16 centimeter. 16. Now find the height of the triangle. So AD equal to means height of the triangle. Height of the triangle, that will be equal to 2x plus x, that is equal to 3x. So 3 into 16 centimeter, that is equal to 48 centimeter. 3 into 16 centimeter, that is equal to 48 centimeter. Now whenever you know the height of a equilateral triangle, then we can easily calculate the side of the triangle, isn't it? So let or we know height equal to, means in an equilateral triangle, height equal to root 3 by 2 into a, if we consider the a as the side of the triangle. So from here we have 48 is equal to root 3 by 2 into a. From here find the value of a. So a will be, that is 96 by root 3. A equal to 96 by root 3 centimeter. Now whenever side of the triangle is known, find the area. Therefore area of the triangle ABC is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square. Now put the value of a here. Put the value of a from here. So that will be root 3 by 4 into 96 by root 3 into 96 by root 3. 1 root 3 will cancel each other, and this is 4 2 is 8, 4 6 is 16. And now if I want to remove this root 3 from denominator, we have to multiply it by 3. So that is equal to 96 into 8 into root 3. Now multiply 96 and 8 and tell me the result. Multiply 96 and 8 and tell me the result. Okay, and I am rubbing this portion. You just multiply this. Now consider the total circle. For the circle, radius is given that 32 centimeter. So find the area. Area equal to pi, means 22 by 7 into 30 r square. 32 into 32. Pi r square. 22 by 7 into 32 into 32. Now do the calculation. That is equal to 22 by 7 into, this is 1024. Multiply 22 and 1024. So this will be 8252 by 7. 2252 by 7 centimeter square. And what is the product of 98 into 6? Product of 98 into 6? A 768 root 3 centimeter. Okay, so the required area equal to, required area equal to, subtract the area of the triangle from the area of the circle. So area of the circle is 22528 by 7 minus 768 root 3. This centimeter square will be the required area. Okay, this will be equal to required area. Okay, and this is the answer. Okay, now students, tell me, have you any problems in this question? The question is little lengthy, We have to follow a lot of steps from here, but it's not too hard. Tell me one thing, do you have any problem? Any problem? No, sir. Okay, so today this portion. Next day we'll solve the remaining question from this exercise.